Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will continue discussing single row functions that are related to dates. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16, so make sure you did that before proceeding here. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL Commands. Again, make sure to always set rows value to the maximum. Here are some examples of our single row functions related to our date. In number 1, we will use employees table to display first name, hire date, the number of days he is employed, and the number of years he is employed. To get the number of days from the date he was hired, we will subtract sys date to hire date. To get the number of years employed, we will again subtract sys date to hire date, and then divide the result by 365 since there are 365 days in a year. Run it. Stephen has been working for 11,450 days, or around 31 years. In number 2, we will use employees table to display first name, hire date, the date 6 months after hire date, and hire date in full string format. We will use add months function to add 6 months, and toChar function to format our hire date with full name of day and month, numeric day, and 4-digit year. Run it. Well done. Last, we will use employees table, display first name and hire date of those hired from 1995 to present, and sort them by hire date. Our hire date here must be greater than or equal to 1995. So we will use toDate function and the format of YYYY. We will order them by hire date. Run it. All years are at least 1995 and they are properly arranged. In our next lesson, we will use group functions. Thank you for your interest in this channel.